Ready to whip up some sweet success in farming and friends? Let's dive into the cake factory and unlock its delicious potential. First things first, locate your cake factory. It's usually found amongst your other production buildings. Tap on it to open up the cake making interface. Here, you'll see a list of cakes you can bake. Each cake requires specific ingredients like wheat, strawberries, or milk. Check what you have available and what you need to grow or collect. Time to gather your resources. Head back to your farm and harvest those crops, milk your cows, and collect any other necessary ingredients displayed on the cake factory recipe. Once you have enough ingredients, return to the cake factory, select the cake you want to make, then tap on each required product amount, bringing the product from the inventory, and to start the baking process. Now for the exciting part, baking. Tap the Start Baking button and wait for the timer to run down. You can use speed up tokens to rush the process if you're feeling impatient. Ding! Cake's ready. Tap on the finished cake to collect it. It will then be stored in your barn, ready to fulfill orders or sell for coins. Check your order board for requests that require cakes. Fulfilling these orders will earn you experience points, coins, and other valuable rewards, which will help you level up and expand your farm. Congratulations! You're now a cake factory pro. Keep baking, fulfilling orders, and upgrading your farm to become the ultimate farming and friends tycoon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more farming and friends tips and tricks.